Alright. Let's do this, my nigga. Let's do this, nigga. Come on. Let's do this. Oh, man, let's do this. The lights on. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright. Alright, man, here we go. Alright. Here we go, man. That should get the legendary Mitch Speakerman. Bro. I'm gonna do the Alpha Master. The Alpha Master core, right? The Alpha Master core, right? Alright. What do you call a disabled guy called Christopher? What the fuck? Hey, don't you make a fool, man. Don't you make a... Hey, my man's trying to fool. My man's trying to fool. Like, alright, there we go. That's show my man's trying to fool, like. Trying to fool down, man. You sound like a Brit. My man's trying to fool down, man. Alright, let's check the window, man. Make sure. Right. That's cool, man. Cool scenery, man. Look. Hot in Miami. Miami, right? Look, hot. It's so hot in Miami, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Look. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Oh, come on. I don't give a shit, man. My brother TC. No. My brother TSM fan. Being racist, man. Being a racist. Being black. Look, I'm black. I'm being black, man. Pretend to be being black, right? Let me know in the comments. If the comments off, no one can comment. Shit. Pretend to be black American. No, that's African American. Right. Wow, look at this. Look at the tree, man. Man, look at the sun. Never went to Miami. Never went to Miami. So Miami, Florida. Never went to Miami in Florida, right? I went to Florida. Shit. If you came from Florida, right? If you came from Florida, like, oh shit, man. Oh my gosh, keep repeating that word. I'm an African American. What the fuck is this, man? Go shut the fuck up. Get your ass out of here. Okay. Get your stinking ass off me, man. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Come on, man. Come on. Man, right now she getting bomba clad blood. Man, I'm getting bomba clad blood. Man, I ain't Jamaican. I ain't a fucking Jamaican, man. I ain't Jamaican. I'm American. And I'm from Philippines. From the Philippines, man. From the Philippines, dog. For the Philippines, dog. My dog, right? I ain't a Jamaican. I ain't a Jamaican, right? Man, I'm not a Jamaican, right? I told you what I said. I'm not Jamaican, right? Like, come on, man. Holy shit. Can't reset my camera right here. Oh my god. Can anyone seeing Raphael uploading Skibidi Tour? What the fuck? The camera's so low, man. What the fuck? Camera's so low, man, motherfucker. Oh man, shut the fuck up. Man, I just said that word. Oh, yeah, what motherfucker? Oh yeah, what motherfucker? Come on, you can hit back. Come on, you can't hit back. What, motherfucker? Oh shit. I'm being African American. What the fuck? Holy shit. I'm being a fucking African American. Holy shit. Fuck. Man, fuck yourself. Man, fuck yourself, man. Go fuck yourself, asshole. Man, go fuck yourself. My nigga. I ain't no fucking Jamaican. Holy shit. Tell me what to do. I'm bloating another plug of skibidi toilet. What's a cold? What out of the cold skibidi toilet? Yo, what up, my nigga? Man, I just need to see my homie. It's Andrew. See my homie Andrew, right? I ain't no see my homie Andrew, like some shit. Like he's doing some shit, man. Like for real, man, for real. My dog, come on, it's for real, man, for real. Sound like African American. What the fuck? Anyway, it's Stratford Alpha. Maybe it's legendary Mitch Speakerman. Being African American. Alright, man. I wanna play that shit, man. We go play some nigga, like by Gangsta Rap. Motherfucker. What's up, nigga? Gangsta Rap, nigga. Nigga. I'm 100% nigga. Oh shit. nigga. 100% nigga. Made by Gangsta Rap, man. Made by Gangsta Rap. Oh shit. Being told like, man. Gangsta Rap. Bombastic side. Criminal official side eye. Right. Like, should I do a Jamaican accent? If I say bombaclats, no, bombastic side eye. All right, bombastic side eye, criminal official side eye. Come on, dog. Oh man, holy shit! What the fuck? Get your sting ass, man! Get your stupid ass off me, man! Get your stinging ass off me! Like, what the fuck? Alright, man. What is it? Bomber clad blood pussy clad, man. Bomber ras clad pussy. Bomber black clad pussy wagon. Chicken nuggets. Shit. Fuck you. I'm going off the camera. Legendary Mitch Speakerman here. See ya.